88 in my house. This is what your house looks like after 9 days of no water. Get your 2 liters, fill them up, get your jugs, and wash dishes. So my whole house needs wired. Gotta redo my well. I have one baby, Raven. Other baby, Shadow. Come on. And we stay here because dogs, they need space. They can't be stuck up in here. It's my tree. No water, no air. Everybody's telling me that it's gonna be thousands of dollars. My tree is becoming hollow. Listen. Bruce is over here. Not so much. Plants that were there, dead. Here's where it came through the ground. Fried my well, fried my wiring, my air conditioner. So we get water from the neighbor's hose, fill them up, walk them over. But yeah, this is our life, and not sure what to do, so any help would be greatly appreciated. We spend our time outside in the garage, weather permitting, and do what we can, and we're getting there day by day. Really appreciate any help. Everybody, God bless, and thanks for watching.